Hello, here I'm going to show you the demo of the minimum viable product of a NUSEvents app. Now on launching the app, I'm directed to the main page which is asked me to sign in using email and a password. It is a Firebase authentication system for maintaining all the accounts, and as you can see I'm trying to create a new account with a simple password. Now I'm pressing create account. It is loading using the internet and it asks me to enter more details, and I can quickly enter the details and press enter. Now which opens the main page of the app and shows a toast message that I'm signed in. Now looking at the Firebase authentication page, I can see a new user has been added here, and in the database under the users call section I should be able to see this particular user with all his details. Now as you can see in the rules of database, the read and write are authentically not equal to null. That means a person has to sign in order to change anything in the database. Now let's look at some basic features. Like in about us, we can see the brief description of the app and the admin details. In the settings, I can see the basic things like I can request admin rights, which means I can send an intent to send an email to the admin to allow me to create accounts. Also I can verify email, which will send me an email. Now reset password or visit the NUS website. Also now let's look at some events which have already been added. Like these are the main 3 events. Now Friday hacks, and these are the details about it. So as you can see, these are the current happenings, the current list of events. Also I can try to create new events, but then it asks me to get the admin's rights. So I'll press continue. I can send an email to the intent, and then if I try to manually change in the database that for this admin make it an admin, which is true. As you can see, the changes have been made. Now I'll go to this. Now let's try to press again. Now yes, now it has opened the right page and allowed me to enter the event. Let's fill in the details. Organized by SOC. Time of event 8 AM and location of event, let's keep it SOC. Submit request, and as you can see the details have been added. Now I should be able to see this event in the NUS. Yes, as you can see the new event has been added, which is hackathon, and its details have been shown. Now I can press sign out to log out and close my activity, and here I'm back and closing the activity. Here in the Firebase database, you can see that the event added has been stored as a JSON object with a unique push ID, and from here the event can read it and display it on the app.